Once you've completed Send to Amazon Step 1, selecting your inventory, you're ready for Step 2, Confirm Shipping. Based on your SKUs from Step 1, you might need to send inventory to more than one fulfillment center. Distributing your inventory across fulfillment centers helps us reduce the time it takes to deliver your products to customers. In the Ship Date field, enter the date you plan to give your inventory to the carrier. If unsure, you can enter an estimate and update with the final date later. Accurate ship dates help us prepare for your inventory and avoid customer delivery delays. Next, select your shipping mode, small parcel delivery or less than truckload. If you selected small parcel delivery for any of your shipments, you'll need to select a carrier to deliver to our fulfillment centers. Using an Amazon partnered carrier offers discounted rates and other benefits. Learn more about how to make use of these carriers by searching for Amazon Partnered Carrier Program in Seller Central. For other carriers, select Other from the drop-down menu regardless of which carrier you have chosen to use. Once the carrier is selected, click on Accept Charges and confirm shipping in the bottom right corner. You're now ready to move on to Send to Amazon Step 3, Print Box Labels.